What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we'll be taking a look at Ethereum. Ethereum is the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. At the point of recording this video, guys, you can get one Ethereum for $1,959. Guys, Ethereum was the worst case scenario. If we're actually in the bear market and Ethereum is going to be crashing, and what's the worst case scenario for Ethereum and how low can Ethereum go in the bear market? Guys, we're looking at the Ethereum price charts history, looking at Ethereum from 2015 to 2022, and we're looking at what Ethereum has usually done during the bear market. We look at Ethereum against Bitcoin, we look at the Ethereum market cap chart, and then we look at Ethereum dominance chart. And guys, the market is in extreme fear. Bitcoin is actually dumping. So how low can Ethereum dump? Because if Bitcoin is dumping, the whole market is going to be dumping with it. In this video, we'll be talking about that. You can see Ethereum is down 20% in the year, it's down 34% in the month. But first, guys, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video. To all my returning subscribers, thank you for always watching my videos. I appreciate you guys. Let's get down to business.
7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So guys, at the point of recording this video, Ethereum's market cap is at $236 billion. In the last 1 year, Ethereum has gone as low as $1,700 and has gone as high as $4,891. Now, Ethereum has 120 million coins in circulation. Let's look at the price chart of Ethereum, guys. Ethereum has rewarded the people that invested in it when it launched here in 2015. You can see that from the bottom of Ethereum to where we are right now, Ethereum is still up over 399,000%. So if you have held your Ethereum from here, if you have held your Ethereum from here, you would have actually been in mad profit right now. But let's look at it bit by bit. During the previous bull run, what did Ethereum do in the 2015 to 2018 bull run? Ethereum went up over 308%, which is very, very crazy. Now, during the bear market, because of that wonderful ride Ethereum had, it dumped over 94% as expected. It has gone up thousands of percentage points. Even when it dumped from the bottom of the market, Ethereum was still up over 18,000%. So that was the bottom of Ethereum in the bear market. This was December 2018. Now, after that, Ethereum has gone on to have another wonderful run. Ethereum has returned over 4,000%. Actually, Ethereum has returned over 5,500% to all the people that bought the bottom of the dip for Ethereum. And that was the bull run. And right now, guys, it looks as if Bitcoin is actually dumping. And if we're going with the assumption that Bitcoin is dumping, obviously it won't dump in a straight line. We'll have some bounces, but if we believe that we're in a bear market, ultimately Bitcoin is going to come and find its bottom in this region, and assume that Ethereum too is actually going to dump just like Bitcoin, because if Bitcoin is dumping, Ethereum is going to be dumping. So what's the worst case scenario for Ethereum? The last bear market, Ethereum came down as low as 94%. Now let's first ask ourselves this question. We know that the past won't repeat itself, but we can get clues of what will happen in the future from the past. Let's assume, first of all, if Ethereum is down 94%, just like the previous bull run, that will see Ethereum around $250, $270. Can Ethereum get that low, guys? Yes, it can do that. Based on past performance, it can do that. But where would be a logical place for us to find the Ethereum bottom? If we're just going to assume that Ethereum will just dump maybe to the previous all-time high for Ethereum. Previous all-time high for Ethereum was 1,400, and from where we are right now, that means Ethereum will fall 28% more. I think Ethereum will still fall way more than that. I can easily see the total crypto market cap falling 50% in valuation, and if Ethereum is falling above 50%, it's going to be going below its previous all-time high. Guys, we take a look at the Ethereum Bitcoin price chart. You can see that Ethereum against Bitcoin is actually at a very critical point. Ethereum follows Bitcoin in the market very closely. It's ranked number 2. Ethereum and Bitcoin are clearly the leaders in the market. If the market is dumping, those two coins actually used to hold their own. But if the market is pumping at the same time, they might not pump as hard as other cryptos because it requires a lot of effort to move their market cap. Ethereum against Bitcoin is at a very critical point, and anytime Ethereum starts losing value against Bitcoin, that means we're in the bear market. You see that anytime Ethereum is gaining value against Bitcoin, we're in the bull market, because Bitcoin is number 1, is pumping, but Ethereum actually pumps harder than Bitcoin. Ethereum actually outperformed a lot of altcoins. You see that Ethereum just returned over 5,000%. So if you just held only Ethereum during this last bull run, you would have 50x your money. It was very easy. That was very easy play. and you can see that Ethereum outperformed Bitcoin during the bull run. But during the bear market, just like we had in 2017, 2018, Ethereum loses value against Bitcoin, and it lost 89% of its value from the top of Ethereum against Bitcoin in July 2017 to the bottom that occurred at September 2019. So if we assume that it will lose around 89% against Bitcoin again, we'll see the Ethereum Bitcoin valuation maybe get to a new multi-year low. We'll see we'll get to 92%. We're actually going to be the place where we were in 2017. We have not gone that low, but at some point in time in the future, guys, I see Ethereum losing value against Bitcoin, because if the market's in the downward direction, people will run to Bitcoin. When the market is in fear, people are only comfortable with Bitcoin, then Ethereum. But we'll see how low Ethereum can go, because if you see in the previous bottom of the bear market, Ethereum got to as low as $100, guys, and that was Ethereum was coming from 1,400. The all-time high for Ethereum 2018 was 1,400, and it went as low as $100, guys. That's very, very crazy. So can it do it again? Ethereum can actually do it again, guys. It's very, very possible. Let's not kid ourselves. This bull run has been wonderful. From the COVID sell-off, Ethereum has gone up over 4,800%. That is very, very, very outrageous. At some point in time in the future, the market will have to correct itself, and we'll still have some bounces now. Where do I think we are in this whole bear market that I think we're in now? I'll assume that this was 2018 bear market. After we had our bounce, we now broke into a new low. So we're in this region right here, right now. So I feel like this is where we are right now. So if this is where we are right now, you can see that after we're in that region, Ethereum still fell how many percent? Ethereum still had a almost 74% dump. So if Ethereum dumps 74% from where we are right now, where are we going to see Ethereum? We'll see Ethereum below $500. Will you be willing to buy some Ethereum below $500, guys? This is the bear market. In the bear market, you think a lot of these altcoins can get cheap. They can get very, very cheap, and that's why it's called the bear market. All the speculators in the market will have to go away. Only those that are in for the tech will be there, guys. Ethereum is down in the last 1 year. In the last 1 year, it's down 20%. In the last 1 month, it's down 35%. The market is actually down. A lot of people that bought their Ethereum bought at the top right here. Many people start hearing about Ethereum, yada. They start hearing about it in the markup phase right here. So many people in the market right now that are feeling the pain with Ethereum, they actually got their Ethereum from around 1,700 upwards. So I feel like Ethereum will still dump lower. That's what all these altcoins do, including Ethereum, including even Bitcoin, the leader in the market. And guys, let's take a look at the Ethereum market cap chart. Ethereum has increased in valuation over the years from 2015, where Ethereum was just less than 10 million or so, to right now where Ethereum is worth over $243 billion. That's a very, very wonderful ride. But you can see that during the bear market, Ethereum actually loses valuation. You see that during the previous bear market, 93%. Damn, 93%. But even that 93%, it was up thousands of percentage points already. It was up over how many percent? 421,000%. So you're losing 93%. It was still up for the original people that invested here. If it loses 93% right now, what will Ethereum's market cap be? Ethereum's market cap will come to as low as $36 billion. Is that possible, guys? This is crypto. Way stranger things have happened. Ethereum market cap can come back to $32 billion. Remember, the previous all-time high for Ethereum's market cap that happened in 2018 is $135 billion. Right now, Ethereum's market cap is currently at $236 billion. So we're still high in the air, guys. From the bottom of the market, Ethereum is still actually up how many percent? Ethereum is still up over 2,200%. So all people that accumulated at the bottom, they can still sell their Ethereum right now for profits. And if they think they are going to see cheaper prices in the future, I think they are going to actually be selling their Ethereum for profit. That's just the way it goes. Guys, the market is still in extreme fear, and history has shown that most times when the market is in extreme fear is when you want to be accumulating these coins. But we're in a very, very dicey situation right now that nobody knows whether the bottom is in. People are saying that things were not this bad since March 2020. But at the same time, guys, things can actually get way worse. That's why we're doing this video. Worst case scenario. So what's the worst case scenario for Ethereum, guys? I think the worst case scenario for Ethereum will probably be around that $500 region. That will be if Ethereum gets $500 region, I will just be scoping it, because definitely the next bull run Ethereum will have to pass $5,000, and at $500 to $5,000, that will be a 10x already. So when Ethereum is breaking new all-time high in the next bull run, you would have already 10x on your investment, which is very, very crazy if you think about it. That would be a very, very good risk to reward. So we don't know how low Ethereum can go. Looking at the Ethereum dominance chart, it looks as if Ethereum dominance is turning on itself. And if Ethereum dominance is turning on itself, it means Ethereum will lose dominance in the market. If Ethereum is losing dominance in the market, it means the price of Ethereum is going down, because when the market is dumping, Bitcoin regains back all its dominance. And guys, Bitcoin dominance is actually getting up, it's getting setting higher highs, which is very, very bad for the total crypto space. If you are expecting alt season, it means we are officially in a bear market, because during the bear market, Bitcoin dominance increases. In the last bull run, Bitcoin dominance went as low as 35%. At the height of the bull run, in the top of the bear market, Bitcoin dominance was as high as 72%. So how high can Bitcoin dominance get to? And you can see that Bitcoin dominance got to 72% again. This was just before Bitcoin broke into new all-time highs. And after that, we dumped. And anytime Bitcoin dominance is dumping, that's when we're seeing alt season and all. So now that Bitcoin dominance is actually increasing, it's actually bad for altcoins, including Ethereum. And now Ethereum dominance is reducing. It means Bitcoin dominance is actually increasing. And guys, the total crypto market is still where it is. We're still above $1 trillion. But if we're expecting Bitcoin to break down to 20k, we're expecting Ethereum to break down to its previous all-time high. That's $1,400 and below. We might see the total crypto market cap at 720 billion. So only time will tell. But worst case scenario for Ethereum right now, guys, I just say Ethereum probably will get to as low as 500. I'm not saying to go there tomorrow. We're just looking into the future. The bear market is actually brutal. There will be too many pumps that people would think, oh, the bull market is back. But guys, we're being honest with ourselves. We have been in a bull market for 3 years. So we still need that 1 year of downward sell pressure. We need that 1 year of bear market so that we can pump again. Except you don't want to pump in the future. If you want to pump well in the future, you need to have a correct bear market where we shed all the weights, all the fake hype, and all the coins that have no use will actually leave the market. Then we'll start another bull run when the market bottoms, Bitcoin having yada yada yada, more people will come, Bitcoin to the moon, laser eyes. And right now, the market is dumping. We'll still find a reversal at some point. At some point in time, we cannot just continue dumping in a straight time. I still believe Ethereum might probably even still go back to $3,500 region before we finally dump lower. But worst case scenario is Ethereum at $500. Guys, thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.